1455 and 1615 Frazee Road, San Diego, California. This is the parking garage for these two office buildings. Got two elevators here. The other bank, only one was working. There are 5 stairs going up. That's probably where the machine room is. Let's see if we can see anything. Well, I can't really see anything up there. Let's go down to 1. We'll switch elevators and we'll take a look up the shaft, see if we can see anything. Fusion fixtures. Panel, at least the buttons are Atoll. Very nice. Can't see anything. Hard to tell. I don't see any cables that go up there. Why am I talking about cables? It's a hydraulic elevator. Bank of 2 elevators, 4 elevators in total in this parking garage, and only 2 of them work? Yeah, because that one's coming back down. Are you serious? That just sucks. Here it is. All right, so that'll be it.